Boy, it's myself, Eyez, picking up everybody that sent their beats in via VIP studio sessions. We've been going through them all. There's been some amazing ones. Here are my favorite ones, and here's my freestyle for you lot. Boy,
got some beats from Priest Folk. I like the beats, now I need more. I got the beat from Woodkirk. I like what you did, that's good work. Send the beat, send over yours. Shout out hard with you Dover Court. If you want feedback, that's all good. Bigging up the kids that are from Forward. Shout out the fans that are from Brookfield. That beat's hot, come like Cook Mills. I'm a golden kid, I'm golden. Shout out the beats from Saffron Walden. I spit bars for my salary. Shout out the kids from Castleford Academy. We need more beats, more ammo. Sick beats getting sent from All Hallows. In the driver's seat so I can't stall. Might make some beats at Mark Hall. Might go Derby, St. Benedict's. Make some beats, show your relatives. Send them beats, I'm getting them. Might take a trip to Howard of Effingham. Feeling the grime and I'm feeling the beats. Shout out my guy ATMC. Bars, nobody's got bars like ours. There would've been, it could've been, it should've been a star. E to the Y, let eyes come past. I'm out of this world like life on Mars. But I'm living on Earth, them man tried race, man didn't come first. If a tune you make, it's a little bit worse. What made you think them lyrics would work? That song was whack. Gram track suit that's done in black. I could turn the crowd into jumping jack. Oh, whoa, my man, hey, pulling right back. Reload and assess that's cash. E to the Y, look fly, look flash. Got little sideburns, beard and a tash. If they book man, then they better pay cash. I think Eyez is ill. I rate my man, yeah, I like him still. And he keeps it real. I rate my man, yeah, it's decent still. But he don't have a deal. That's kinda my car, rate him still. Sounds like Dizzy Rascal, that's a young deal. I rate my man, yeah, I rate his flows. Nobody's got flows like those. Them man are copycats, them man are just clones. I'm grime to the bone. Made songs at the back of the bus on the phone. Me, Matthew, Abdul and Jerome. Still that youth, just a little bit grown. Still catch the bus when I wanna get home. And I still do sets and I still do shows. Used to rap with my bros. Little bro, big bro, them man pros. They were too good, had me on my toes. But now everyone knows. Got flows, got loads, they were chilling with the Milligans, Jack and Joe. When I spit bars, nobody stands still. Kinda think Eyez is ill. Back in the day, I used to go school, yeah, I could've been a fool, but I'm far too clever. If you're in school and you soon have tests, just do your best, cause you can't do better. Remember the days I used to go school, but my mum was broke, then things got better. Remember the days that I got sent home, cause I never had the logo stitched on my sweater. I used to like maths and science. In year 9, I did sats in silence. I used to play footy with a stone on the way back home from school with Simon, me, Leon and Harvin. I had free school dinner, so I never went starving. I was up from the morning, writing my name and the date in the margin. School in the morning, leave in the evening, go back home to the chore, to the cleaning. Get a beating if my shirt's got a crease in. No speaking when the teacher's teaching. My shoes were beating. If you seen them, you would've thought my sneakers were speaking. I got a beat in reading. Yeah, I could've got an A-star, but that's cheating. Talking about cheating, I swear my girl was cheating. I swear I got 2 times. Used to play for the football team, but my coach was mean, so I only played 2 times. Been a rapper like 2 times, but the first time I couldn't get my lyrics in 2 time. And my mate did year 2 times. Had a food fight with 2 guys in a queue line. Keep my headphones under my hair, so my teacher thinks that nothing ain't there. I went to sit onto my chair, but my mate pushed it. Now I'm sitting on the airway, and I'm ready for the entrance. I got detention cause of my attendance. Mommy got me midget gems, but I'm sick of them. I want some crisps, some white chocolate and some penny sweets. Mars bar for the remedy, bubblegum panda pop, that's the energy. And back then they were 23 and Fredders were 5p, so what are you telling me? With a pound you were balling in the shop. Top button up with a Windsor knot. Penny up the wall and I'll win the lot.
Once again, thank you to everybody that sent over your beats via VIP Studios. Hope that you send it again next time, and I'll see you there.